Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Exodus wallet to connect to DeFi exchanges. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Exodus wallet, start by visiting the official Exodus website. Type Exodus wallet into your search engine. Ensure you are on the legitimate Exodus website to avoid scams. Look for the download section on the homepage. Choose your device type, either desktop or mobile. For desktop, select the operating system you are using, such as Windows, macOS, or Linux. For mobile, choose between the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Click the download button corresponding to your selection. If using a desktop, the installation file will begin downloading. Open the downloaded file once it completes. Follow the installation prompts to set up the wallet on your computer. For mobile, wait for the app to download and then click to install it. Once installed, open the Exodus Wallet app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select the option to create a new wallet. Understand the importance of backing up your wallet. Write down your recovery phrase securely when prompted. Do not share this phrase with anyone to ensure the security of your funds. Once backed up, proceed to set your password. Confirm your password to finalize the initial setup. Now that your wallet is ready, navigate to the wallet interface. To connect to DeFi exchanges, locate the Wallet tab. Here, you can view your cryptocurrency balances. Select the exchange option within the wallet. Explore the available tokens that can be exchanged. Choose the token you wish to trade from your wallet. Then select the token you want to acquire through the exchange. Review the transaction details and click Exchange to proceed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.